Hey everybody! So today's video is being done in collaboration with Craftor.com, and Craftor is a resin company, and their they've sent me their fast cure epoxy resin. The package comes with 4 mixing cups. You get 2 bottles of the fast cure epoxy resin. And it comes with some mixing sticks. It comes with gloves. So I got 3 pairs of gloves. Oh, it even comes with mica powder. 8 colors of mica powder. That's very nice. And then you have epoxy resin colorant.
Midnight strikes and shadows crawl across the moonlit wall. Is that a zombie at my door, or just the wind I can't ignore? Something wicked this way comes. Hear the beating of the drums. Monster boogie, gonna get you. Monster boogie, gonna set you free. Monster boogie, under the moonlight, dance with the dead tonight. Cobwebs hanging like lace, a haunted smile on every face. Creaking floors and ghostly sighs reflecting in my hollow eyes. Something wicked this way comes. Hear the beating of the drums. Monster boogie, gonna get you. Monster boogie, gonna set you free. Monster boogie, under the moonlight, dance with the dead tonight.
Okay, I'm back and I'm going to do the second half of this skull. I'm going to go ahead and put these little red stones in there. And then I'm going to fill the rest of this up with the Fast Cure resin from Craftor. And we'll see how it comes out.
Cobwebs are cool, marigolds rule. Got my dancing shoes, gonna dance with you underneath the moon. Candles flicker, soft and low. Is it time to glow? Let's get ready. Sugar skull, sweetheart, can you feel the beat? Feel the beat beneath your dancing feet. Sugar skull, sweetheart, wanna taste the sweet of life that can't be beat. Oh, 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 oh. Skeletons sway, come what may. Living for today, gonna laugh away the blues and the gray. Candles flicker, soft and low. Is it time to glow? Let's get ready. Sugar skull, sweet.
This looks really cool. That's really cool.
Sugar skull, sweetheart, wanna taste the sweet of life that can't be beat. Oh, 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 Sugar skull, sweetheart, yeah.
I want to say thank you to Craftor for sending me the resin that I used to make this, and I'm really happy with it. I do have a discount code for you if you're interested, which is Allison20, and that will work to get you 20% off of your entire order on bondcrafter.com. Have a great day, everybody. Bye for now.